Why would you leave her in the car like that?
The one officer said she was not in distress. The other one said that she was panting.
Let's see. Looks like you met with one of the attorneys and it's been offered a plea under Homes Youthful Training Act status. Is that your understanding as well?
Yes.
Yeah. How old are you today?
I'm 22 years old.
Okay. Being charged with cruelty to animals, it does carry a penalty of up to 90 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. It's alleged to have occurred on August 25th, 2024 in Vienna Township. Do you understand the charge?
Yes, I do.
Did you hear the rights that I went through earlier?
Yes, I did.
You understand those rights?
Yes.
How do you wish to plead to the charge then?
Guilty under the yes, the HYTA Act.
Yep, and we'll go through it for you, okay? But is it true that on this date, time, and location, you're guilty of being cruel to an animal by having a dog in the vehicle with temperature reaching, gosh, it looks like 85 degrees in a vehicle for, well, it was well over 10 minutes at least. Is that true?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that if I accept your guilty plea, you won't have a trial of any kind, give up all the rights that you would have at trial, and you may be faced with those penalties?
Yes.
Has anybody made any threats or promises to cause you to plead guilty other than HYTA status?
No.
No? I'm sorry, you said you're 22 years old today?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything else on your record if I look?
I'm sorry?
Do you have anything else on your criminal record if I look?
No. I've never even gotten a ticket.
Okay. I'll take your guilty plea under advisement pursuant to Homes Youthful Training Act status. And why would you leave it? Is it your dog?
Yes.
What's your dog's name?
Lila.
I'm sorry, Lila?
Lila, yes.
Lila. Oh. Why would you leave her in the car like that?
So I was going in. I had just found out I was pregnant. I was going in for a little pregnancy, like kids gift thing for my boyfriend. I intended to be in there for a quick trip in and out. I was trying to find my mom. My phone wasn't working, so I had to restart my phone. I did not know how much time had passed. That's my fault. I didn't realize it, but I wasn't intending for my dog to be in that car for that long. Okay. It was like at 7:30, 8 o'clock at night. So, I mean, that's not at all an excuse. It was cloudy. It was becoming dark, but again, it's no excuse.
I honestly, and this is sensitive to me because I honestly a close friend of mine, their son, it's almost identical. Had their two kids in the car. They got home, took their kids to bed, forgot the dog in the car, and next day wondered what the heck. They thought the dog came in with them. The poor bear died in the vehicle. Same exact thing, just a couple months ago. They are devastated. I guess I don't want to get too personal, but if you have children, man, oh man, you can't just forget how much time has passed.
I understand that. And I have not done this since. I haven't taken her to the store. I haven't left her in the car. I haven't even gone to get gas with her in the car.
What kind of a dog is she?
She's a mini Aussie Doodle.
Okay, gosh. How old?
She's about a year old.
Oh, man. Boy, there's nothing worse to come out and find her passed away in the back seat or something, you know?
I know, and I would not have been okay. I am very thankful the cops made sure she was safe. And he did advise me if, say I'm on a trip and I can't take her into the store, he advised me on how to do things properly to make sure she stays safe, such as running the AC, having a water dish available, and things like that.
Yeah,
I've taken those things under advisement, but I have never left her in the car since.
yeah. Okay. All right. What condition was she in when you came out?
So she was already in the cruiser. She was she was fine. The one officer said she was not in distress. The other one said that she was panting, but I did not get to see how she was in the car. But when she was in the cruiser, she was completely fine. She was more just scared because she was with people she was unfamiliar with, but she wasn't injured, thankfully.
I'm just curious now, how did they get her out of the vehicle? What did they have to do?
They just said they used the tools. I don't know.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, I just, honestly, and I'm not, you just got to be really, really careful. It's amazing how quickly they get overheated and, oh my gosh, they're just relying on you so darn much. They can't do anything, All right, let's order there be no, we'll just say no further incidents. I'll waive fees for you. And I trust you. I'm trusting you, not just that somebody's just going to do that to our animal anyways. Let's set a review date for. Oh gosh, are you? I hate to ask, do you have a due date? Are you pregnant still?
Yes, I am pregnant. My due date is April 29th of next year.
Oh wow. Okay. All right. Let's just set for. Let's go to. November, end of November, beginning of December. 14th? Yeah, that's good. November 14th.
Okay.
At 8:30. So you got to come back on Zoom on that date, okay? And if everything's been good, which I'm trusting it's going to, I'll dismiss it on that date for you, okay?
Okay. Is it going to be the same Zoom number?
It will be. We'll send you a new notice as well.
Okay.
This also does not show up in a public record. I don't know if they told you that or not, but from today on, it doesn't show up on any record at all. So I'd like to keep it that way for you. And, we'll just hopefully it's just a bad mistake at that point. Okay?
Thank you so much.
You had a lot going on. I understand it, but boy, oh boy. Well, could have been so much worse.
Yes, I could have.
Okay. So any applications for anything at all, whatever it is, loans, school, anything, you don't have to put this down because you don't have any record. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's just keep it that way. Oh, I guess the other thing I've been mentioning lately, if you call in, it's even going to be if you call in to see when your date is and that, you're not going to be able to get it because it's going to be non-public and my staff is not just going to give the information out at all. They can't help you. So when you need anything, you got to come in person and with an ID of some sort, okay? That's for your sake, quite frankly. So it looks up something that shouldn't be there, all right?
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care of that little girl. Your dog and the other one coming along, whatever.
I am. She's cuddled up right next to me.
Okay. All right. We'll see you back in November.
Thank you so much.
All right. You're welcome. Good luck. Bye.
Bye. Do I just hit leave?
Yep. You can just leave there if you got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.